Hey everyone, it's Huchi from Nagios. In this video, I'll be doing an overview on the details section in Nagios XI. The details section in XI provides insight into hosts and services. You can see detailed views, summaries, and the status of individual hosts, services, host groups, and service groups. And with that said, let's get into it. To access the details section, simply locate it on the left when you are on the home page. You'll see several options such as host and service status, host and service group summaries, host and service group overviews, host and service group grids, BPI, and metrics. The service status page displays a comprehensive list of all monitored services in a table format with color coding to indicate their current status. This will be your go-to dashboard most of the time when looking to see if anything is in a problem state. For more in-depth information on a service, click on it to go to the Service Status Details page. Like the Service Status page, the Host Status page presents a table listing all monitored hosts with color-coded statuses. For more in-depth information, you can click on a host to go to the Host Status Details page. Host group and service group summaries offer a consolidated view of the status of all hosts and service groups. On this page, you can explore group details or available commands by clicking the corresponding icons. Each host group and service group page also provide additional options for quick access to details, summary, overview, and grid. Similar to the host and service summary pages, host and service group overview displays the status of the hosts and services in each group. Host and service group grids offer a combined view of host and service statuses within a single table, categorized by assigned groups. BPI allows you to create custom groups of hosts and services, representing larger services or whatever correlates to your environment. By adjusting the settings of the group, you can accurately assess the overall health of these groups. Metrics provide you with a quick way to determine the health of your host and service groups. There's the summary, graph, and gauge tabs. And there you go. Now you know a little bit more about the details section at Nagios XI. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. For any additional questions or assistance, visit support.nagios.com. And until next time, take care and keep monitoring.